Well, I'm checking on my seeds that I planted in January in my greenhouse. And so this is broccoli. This is kale. This is, let's see, what does that say? Tomatoes. Okay, and the last one is bell peppers. Bell peppers have not come up yet. Okay, so we have tomatoes, we have kale, and we have broccoli. Okay, so next month I'll be planting these out in the big yard, out of the greenhouse, so that they can get lots of space. So I'll be separating them. Okay, I also have another avocado plant here that is growing tall, and I need to plant him out into the ground. So I will be doing that in March, but in the meantime, the little seedlings will come up and we'll have to plant them. Okay, see you next month.